Hello folks, welcome to Legacy IAS. In today's video, we will be discussing about the World Wildlife Conservation Day in 2024. Okay? Now, in this topic, what and all we will be dealing with? Why is it in news? World Wildlife Conservation Day. What is the theme for 2024? India's hotspots, IUCN. Then we will be discussing about a critically endangered species, and then we will be discussing a prelims question. Why is it in news? Okay, look at this. On World Wildlife Day, a call to protect India's critically endangered species. Okay, so when is the World Wildlife Conservation Day? That is on December 4th. Okay. So, how is it useful for you? Where it is important for your UPSC? In GS paper 3, conservation, environmental pollution. Okay. Now, look at this. Your World Wildlife Conservation Day is every year observed on December 4th. The purpose of it is to raise awareness about the importance of wildlife conservation and protection of endangered species and their habitats. Okay. It was established in 2012 in the UN. Okay. It was coinciding with your CITES signing agreement. You all know about your CITES. Yeah. This also supports your Sustainable Development Goal number 15, that is life on land, and Sustainable Development Goal number 14, that is life below water. Okay. Now, what was the theme for your World Wildlife Conservation Day of 2024? Look at this. The theme was connecting people and planet. Okay. Exploring digital innovation in wildlife conservation. Okay, this is the theme of 2024. Okay, the next thing, look at this. This is directly taken from your newspapers just to showcase how the data is. Okay. Despite possessing only 2.4% of the world's land area, okay, India accounts to 7 to 8% of all the recorded species. Okay, which includes, this is just to showcase how rich is India in its flora and fauna, which includes 45,000 species of plants and 91,000 species of animals. Okay, this rich biodiversity is one of the reasons that it has been historically identified as a mega diverse country. India has 10 biogeographic zones. What is a biogeographic zones? Which means, it has a natural distribution in a particular zone, natural distribution of flora and fauna in that particular region. Okay. India has 10 biogeographic zones and is home to 8.58% of mammalian species, okay, and 13.6% of avian species, okay, your birds, and 7.91% of reptiles, and amphibians contribute for 4.6%. Okay, just to showcase the data as to how rich is India in its biodiversity. Okay, so the biogeographic zones, okay, we're talking about, okay, the first one is your Trans-Himalayan range, second one is your Himalayan range, third one is your deserts. Okay, we have 10, right? Okay, the fourth one is your semi-arid. Okay, like this together, your coastal area, okay, your Gangetic Plains, Deccan Peninsula, Western Ghats, okay, all of this contributes to your biogeographic zones. Okay. Now, look at this. 4 of the 34 globally identified biodiversity hotspots. Okay, so we have, India has 4 biodiversity hotspots, which are Himalayas, Indo-Burma, Western Ghats, Sri Lanka, and Sundaland. All of these are with India. Okay, with only 2.4% of total land surface, okay, India has contributed more towards its biodiversity richness in its weight. Okay, whereas despite this richness, okay, we also have the conflict with wildlife habitat. Okay, and one more thing is, it is in too much close contact with human settlement. Okay, and humans relationship with hunting. Yes, all of this, okay, alongside your man animal conflict, all of this has taken a toll on the rich. All of this has taken a toll on the rich biodiversity. Okay, next, what are the biodiversity hotspots in India? Like we discussed, okay, your Himalayan range, Indo-Burma, okay, your Sundaland, and also your Western Ghats. Okay, now look at this. There are 73 critically endangered species in 2022. Okay, the one who is going to look in through within India, okay, that is managed, and all this data is given by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Okay, whereas international level it is the International Union of, okay, for Conservation of Nature, or your IUCN, okay, which publishes, okay, a species such as critically endangered species, vulnerable, near threatened, least concern, extinct. Okay, all this data is given in your red book. Understanding? Look at this. Of the 9 species of mammals considered critically endangered, 8 are endemic. Okay, endemic meaning they are confined to a particular area. What are those? Kashmiri stag or hungal, Malabar large spotted civet, Andaman shrew. Okay, then look at this, Jenkins shrew, okay, Nicobar shrew, okay, Namdapa flying squirrel, large rock cat, okay, your leaf-nosed bat, okay. Whereas from the carnivore family, it is lion, tiger, cheetah, okay. Birds prey, you have this great Indian bustard, okay. All of this require immediate attention. Okay, now what is your IUCN? IUCN is an international organization which is a multi-member body, which means it involves states, non-governmental organizations, main thing, indigenous peoples organizations, experts, government agencies, etc. It was set up in 1948. Okay, IUCN possesses a knowledge repository to deal with these issues. Okay, and also it classifies your flora, fauna in the form of, for example, your extinct, okay, threatened, vulnerable, yeah, least concern, critically endangered. Okay, so all of these data are compiled and given by IUCN in something called as red list or red data book. Understanding? Now, all the status of each species, okay, majoritarily as to how much ever data that IUCN has, it has classified to which category of these it will belong to. Okay. Okay. Now there was a 2014 prelims question. Okay, we'll go through this. The most important strategy for the conservation of, okay, look at this, for the conservation of biodiversity together with traditional human life is the establishment of which among the following has both humans plus animals, okay, protected in it? Biosphere reserves, botanical gardens, national park, wildlife sanctuary. The answer is biosphere reserves. Okay, that brings us to the end of the topic. Okay, hope you have understood and enjoyed the content. This is brought to you by your faculty Sushma. If you do like our content, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and share it along with your friends. Thank you.